kwesinye medium aha medium show nene me won sem keto bi wo ma me pese me discuss one or two issues bi wo ma pese me dey atoto eso pepe netimi kama nsem bi ekoso a ni kwani yakopani ni emi ya pa te se ehima koma na e ka me nko na kasa de no nke bi ntimi happy bi me nyina ne se me yankasa me maame Evangelist Patricia Asidu Akranten Mama Pat any Royal TV director the CEO of Royal TV Mr. Amankwa sa misunderstanding any secretary koso e wo montem no mempe the ni nyina no enkofa mi ba nyina no nsem a Royal TV for etena omu TV station omu kan ya egu Evangelist Patricia Asidu Akranten emufi mama mi etimi ababo ntem no babo ntem no unse utie ni nsem a oba beka ni nyina na especially no one taki the panel members no emum one the oba atake no the host no eni adwumawura ana oba atake wo na me de me ya wo eni adwumawura the CEO of Royal TV Mr. Amankwa na about attacking no enemy big akwese emia na me the blame no ebema the producer me the blame bema the producer of Atisem Takum Eric one of the blame them and quite the blame them when they say in the way back 2019 the same thing and a side issue we mo ekoso between Royal TV and Internet TV mo be kika some sa de fa enana Dr. Patricia Asidu Akranten Mama Pattern, but he can simply ya at the final. And the coyer said, cotton some cobe mua, and no mamu video, a bit do some person. In May 2021, a passer mamano, or Pidan and Sa Edin Wamba, Jesus Christ. Now, and no so extra say, I was say something so, Mosa, a becan send me the guma and Mufiana. Debbie. Yes, a passa. And yes, a passa. So, Takum, what me di blame the man? Enyina ne say. Me wo ho ana wo Takum okobo evangelist ni video bi. Ana evangelist friend me bega quiz ana friend well Takum. Ana ye me say gina so na conference call. Ana wo Takum o share ma me ne bosai. Enya ade a obebo ni video e wo Royal TV. No kwasem o de o se eyoyo. Samre no yenti se wabo ni video bia ewo Royal TV na ye den ne da kosore ya wo say ko boni old video abobo old one a woni sofpanyi obofo old video makobo old video no ama mo gina so aka nsemo enyeni ana mo bi egu mame no fi enye se pasa so I remember say nansi ya mokobo ni video amudidi na tem no me frɛ wo osode the panel members a wo Atisem so osode me frɛ osode eka osode matise so wakase osode ka kyerɛ me sa akwasi asɛm de no kresɛ me kan na emum no senkata akuma ambo video no ankomo so ne ade ankomo so bɛka ho asɛm me sa frɛ kofori eso so ebisa no the same thing also ka se video no so ma ammo a enya do bɛka ho asɛm and or say wanka se boni bia afamfa Evangelist Patricia Asidu Akranten so wanka aseboni bia afa but ba me no so no ehwe video ni bi etie video no otie mo kasa mo kan ne kire se kasa twitwi a mo kan nsem bi edi gu no fi wonse same no mo be kan de fa no me biga kwesi na me frɛ mo ka kyem se mo hwe yi nsem a mo kan de fa ma me no ho a enye no kra mo gu ma me no fi mo hwe yi ewiase abo sebo Coach Amansa, was this was such that men who say Fenanum, if a bidiablo. And them said my men ever such a ne a bimu for a year advantage be a guma minufi. Means it says so bab one tia, do be ever can say, Mammy, was such that. And intino was such a intino, and I say, sir, we didn't make you for mana. That's a snow. The beada will be a funny problem, beer, more de Cossier, a year the CEO of a Royal TV. Mr. Amankwa so uni sa on penu wasem o mo mo hwe me Mr. Amankwa on penu wasem wo yi nipa we din but obi obenya ne say omna me yi ni TV program bia no ne nipa ne kwa obi wasem akofa program da be no enye da bia da no na mo de pressure abeto adwuma wura na so da bia da na papa no wo tete no ha hai na wo te se wo ka enye oso de royal tv me na me adwuma wo ho ana ya miado me fi wo no the same thing ana bishop so no nso ya adwuma for bishop so ya adwuma wo ono nso no emre bi dui onso afiri ho ana se wo so ya adwuma wo ebetime dwuma bi wo so be firi ho so ti ase ebedwuma bi no wo so be firi ho kan wo say eye the CEO of a TV stations in na no se wo nya no o me ba ko enne ya wo royal tv bi to dwuma bi na ko TV station fofo ba so di TV station wura bi atem a wo ko say TV station ho no na ni wura no esu bi so catch us say the pacho member if you say wo TV station na di TV station wura atem ba say nye so ba say nye so de we panyini ana akofo yi osu ye panyini won say mu nyina no me ni mu nyina aye fine nsem bi won ma mitimi enka fa nkyere mo achopa na mepa mo se mesremo se mo kofa eye ntutuye abeda eye mama party ntem ene eye amankwa ntem no enye fe so mo na mo betrance no maka de mo pese mo ka bia de mo pese efuma kumo mo beka de akere maame ni bia no mo trance aka but the end of the day no adwuma wura no ono so no okoda en ebi kwampo na wanda ma no ho anto no eni ya maame no babo ntia all kasa no on se momo de when did bottom but odi ko adwuma wura so odi ko adwuma wura so adi nti ana ono no kotre akodi ni moko na ono apunche ni ti bia ohu na no ade na mo ko chance no ye jamu na adwuma wura no na evangelist kan se bi tia papa no ama papa no ono anka se hu ni se nsema wa me ne ka che no ehye na kuma mu na kuma mu ya egu no fi the same thing so am so kan so egu ame ne so fi enye atiase enye enye na me blame me na me de be mata kum Eric wo na me de blame be ma bi say wo mu no che se wo a me bom video a o me bom ame ne video anya ade a wo mu betra se e be ka ho asem enti blame me be ma wo takum as a producer no wo na me ma wo bi say enti ba say mo di video ne bae no mo bo eni pass me si video a e betira koka mame no e video ho asem because e mo video ya but wo na de bia no ko fa mame ne video no be bo ko fa mame video no be bo ana mo yesa ade pa na poti mo yesa because ka me hu yi anka Royal TV ene Tene TV ko me ba ko Royal TV Tene TV omo kase TV station bia se de wo tie eya nsem a eye evangelist kan na from beginning omo mi e close omo tight omo ne kwa bo tie ba omo ne kamuti bo ho ennam se na mo Royal TV ennam eye ye director so abankwa so ene mamu eye evangelist Patricia Sedu Akwante na gada ennam so na mamu no me wo Royal TV papa yi na soma me ma me ba ne ho e be twa na advert e de ko papa yi na soma ma me ba ne ho no saa ene nam so be di hu no but ne de e de na ho a mo ba yi no mo ba betete woni ma me no entem antia mesremo ni empegefo mo nyefi enyina ni efi e be du pempeso a ti enya eye privilege no na se TV so a ye hu de we be si akasa ade a kire obi ye hu de we be si akasa ade a kire obi na me de me fa blame no emfa ma eye panel members no me fa blame emfa ma host no ne mom dem di blame be ma no eni eye the producer takum one of the blame no e be ma no enti the set takum fi ene ereko no ye ma etu ko twi be yetwe na so dwi emra e kukuku nja ya kika ka no so e be jai a word to the wise is enough. Thank you very much indeed. I still love you. Royal TV is my station every Dominic and Harry day. And I'll go to Kumasi. I'll try as much as possible to go there for an interview with Papa Kumasi. May God guide you. May God bless you. I love you so much.
Any Kamaneko Royal TV for us. We got some way actually at the panels Nina. Or more way at the show our Royal TV and Opa. Diana Muntian. If we are 77 premiers, I wouldn't be able to famous to come and sell. No, be able to find 77 premiers, and more gain to be what is said. So, war canwa. What you was a one castle boss while your friend among pa? What did I be paper? What did I be papa? I think the sun got boss. Yes, I'm not for the Ghana for. But Nipa seven previous one, why? Master, you made the course. See a champa, make anything buy your royalty with Rado. See a pa. Sure, I got that some more work for royalty with Papa or talk airtime or Atum TV at the end of the year. Seven previous. Meaning say I do more year. Before Senator Before His Excellency Senator Before the minister ever produce TV stations Mark 48 you was from to my way say your friend be again your friend black no me na Bobby I come for Bobby to make any no me can some way ask on your Royal TV at some show me more be a but here Munkai from since 2019 I grab and your friend Bishop Lumba and somebody one can for Alpha for and somebody one can of Alpha of people me and somebody one can for them. But last minute I do not know which I hear because I didn't have. And then I become as some glorious or swag for Sunday to you on Toby, and a Subura will move Fumra or bet or meet me. Now, make us some way. So we not come for our Royal TV because when your airtime one, and it's only maybe a wish you out to Royal TV for the more you're very careful. About maybe Mr. Sabin Previous. Ghana higher tier, Ghana higher one. I am going to the TV. We are somebody began saying that. A billion someone worker is Sabin Previous. What be a TV station was sent to them? The Apache will take a call for a sent to them was not a world we managed to drink of. Who said the way of Papa? We need someone who next thing we can say you have been performing at the TV station one. You have 2 of Royal TV for Romaka because Romaka and I grab that Jimmy. Yes. Time of comfort down the start here, Baby only come on the advert. Baby only come on advert. Then Royal TV. 2 years was saying, I'm not telling for UK. What's the quiet pass you, Asa? As Royal TV be a TV, no? TV can't say, I don't want Casa. I don't know. Let me say I was who be a TV of an Asia. It a penalty in America. Tell me something entirely. Much no credit America. When you're very careful. Because now you source of money who super bank to no more one. And I come as I glad to one. And I will source of computer mind to one. I could yes, I glad also one. Munshi. Because they're more young than one. Then you tell some very as a crown one in it. Then so say the can be yes. No can buy it never yet. To the person making answer royalty before when you because some is having penny force it is what happened to near the war. And we are simply force it don't come here, my brother. Move it to come, we are someone, and that's what you might want to mark as one. Ofiti mami ya temka mami sam kai. And then the next one my some prabiasa. What do you na chance here? Ele no crowd mo e me kana no moye. Ele no crowd mo e me kaya no pelo intimacy. Sabe prabiasa subanye ni ya wo ne ne asasa obi adu atam obi ya. Munya sibobia TV na mo sole na mo di sai ni pa ne fa so obi ani so. Asam the back and them of the for personal attack. And I glad was to say, I glad was to say, I wanted to name and Tamosan. So was the sire, I wanted to name Tamosan. Was the sire, I wanted to name Tamosan. Was the sire, I wanted to name Tamosan. Because as I say, you didn't so young for years was what you want for must have a 7 for what time. To never know when I'm going to because I don't want your yes, I didn't. Munyaka yi because your modern semi kono and some